quit charging on the Blue Mule this morning, so I had to take it back home. And now that I'm finally here, went to take a drink of my coffee, and that's horrid. So I'm going without my coffee today. Great start to a Thursday morning. Let's see if we can't make it better and get some parts put on this truck. All right, well, at the end of the day, got some good progress. Got the lower A pillar cut out, cleaned up, undercoated, and the new one welded in and ground. The B pillar, same thing. Had to use a little bit of brass to weld that gap. I had about a 1/4 inch gap between the lower piece and the original. For some reason I cut it up a little higher than I normally do, but that's all right. Use a little brass, weld it up. The kick panel's all tacked in, ready to go. The structure part is welded. Let's see. Rocker panels fit and marked where all the holes go. It's ready to go on, and then I can start on that. So tomorrow morning, that's what I'm gonna start on. Good morning. Friday morning, Eric is working on some more dip. Trying to get some of them cleaned up a little bit. And I'm gonna get back to working the fab. Get all the holes put in the rocker panel, get it tacked in place, and then start on the floors. Nice and thick. While that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and pull the fuel tank out. Make it easier to get back in here and get this repaired. That side I just struggled with it, but going to go ahead and pull the tank, make everything easier to get to. And we'll go ahead and paint the back wall while we're at it. All right, now on the other side, I put the rocker on, then this. Normally what I do is I'll put the rocker, get the cab secured, and then I'll cut the floor out and put the floor and all that in there. But this one's got good cab supports, so there's no reason to take them out. And on that side, I tried to do it like I normally do, and it fought me all the way. This side, I've got my measurements for the heights. Everything should be right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the floor before I put the rocker on. Make it a little bit easier on me. All right, Metal Art Customs first attempt of patina. See how this goes. Getting some wrinklage going on. All right, I think that was pretty decent progress today. This side was gone a little bit farther up. The cab corner's gone farther back, so I gotta do some more work under there on this side. I replaced it here, that way he still had his hole in the same location that he drilled it. His original did not have this hole, so I'm gonna have to find a plug that'll fit it. I got an 1/8 inch gap pretty much all the way, and just like the other side, this does not line up. The floors are solid up to here. I gotta do the toe board and this area and the cab corner, and it'll be ready for weld. See y'all next week. By George, I think Eric's got it. Blue's a little bit different though, ain't it?
Yeah, but that's a good base to set on. I mean, that's the texture base.